Best running shoes reviewed. I've tested a bunch of running shoes, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. We're diving deep into 5 of the best running shoes out there, sharing my personal experiences, what worked, what didn't, and why you might want to consider these options for your next run.
Product number 1, Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 10 shoes. When I first slipped on the Under Armour Men's Charged Assert 10 shoes, I was immediately struck by their lightweight feel. The breathable mesh upper hugged my foot just right, with synthetic overlays providing that extra bit of support I often need during longer runs. As I hit the pavement, I could feel the EVA sock liner working to cushion my steps, making each footfall feel less jarring. The charged cushioning midsole is a game changer. It feels like you're running on a cloud, yet you still have enough responsiveness to push off effectively. One of my favorite features was the solid rubber outsole. It gripped the ground beautifully, allowing me to focus on my run rather than worrying about slipping or losing traction. However, I should mention the 10mm offset. While it may work for many, I found it slightly on the higher side, which could take some getting used to if you're accustomed to a lower drop. The only downside? There's a warning about chemicals in the product, which I found concerning.
Product number 2, Under Armour Men's Charged Surge 4 Sneaker. Trying on the Under Armour Men's Charged Surge 4 was a pleasant surprise. Right out of the box, I noticed the breathable mesh upper with synthetic overlays, which provided a snug yet comfortable fit around my ankle. The enhanced cushioning around the collar was a fantastic touch. It felt like a gentle hug around my foot. The Deluxe Comfort System sock liner molded perfectly to my foot, which is something I always look for in a running shoe. As I took them for a spin at my local park, the charged cushioning midsole shone through, offering that ideal balance of comfort and responsiveness. The 8mm offset felt just right, making my transitions smooth. The rubber outsole had great traction, whether I was running on grass or pavement. However, I did notice that they might not be the best for those who prefer a minimalist approach to running shoes. If you're someone who loves a bit more padding and support, these could be perfect. Ultimately, the Charged Surge 4 is a solid option for anyone looking for comfort combined with performance, making it a worthy addition to your running shoe collection. Product number 3, YRL-TYO Men's Running Shoes. I stumbled upon the YRL-TYO men's running shoes while searching for an affordable yet functional option. At first glance, I was impressed by the breathable upper made of mesh material, which had thousands of microscopic holes. This feature really stood out, especially during a hot summer run. Slipping them on felt like putting on a second skin. They were incredibly lightweight, and I hardly noticed I had them on. Their shock absorption capabilities were surprisingly good, which eased the impact on my knees, especially during those long runs. The non-slip sole was another highlight. I felt secure even on slick surfaces. However, I did find that while they were great for casual workouts, they might not hold up as well during intense running sessions. But for a budget-friendly sneaker that covers all the basics, these shoes offer incredible value. If you're looking for something versatile for light activities, the YRL-TYO shoes are an excellent choice. Product number 4, Brooks Women's Revel 8. The Brooks Women's Revel 8 caught my attention for several reasons. First off, the unique mesh upper blends style with performance, making it perfect for both workouts and casual wear. I took them for a test run, and the adaptable DNA Loft V2 cushioning was a revelation. It seemed to mold to my foot, providing a custom fit and excellent impact protection. I loved how lightweight the Road Tack outsole felt underfoot. It gave me a sense of confidence and stability while I ran. The breathability was superb, keeping my feet cool even during intense workouts. The only downside I encountered was that while they excelled in comfort, they felt slightly less responsive compared to other shoes in the same category. However, if you prioritize comfort and versatility, the Brooks Revel 8 is a brilliant option that seamlessly transitions from the gym to the street. Product number 5, Yatuhio Men's Running Shoes. Lastly, I gave the Yatuhio men's running shoes a shot. From the moment I opened the box, I could tell that these shoes were designed for comfort. The skin-friendly materials made for a soft, breathable upper, which felt great on my feet. The lightweight design particularly stood out. It was as if I was running barefoot. The slip-on style was convenient, and the elasticated opening made them easy to wear. I took them out for a jog, and the anti-slip, wear-resistant outsole performed admirably, providing excellent grip on various surfaces. They're machine washable, which is a big plus for someone like me who tends to get messy during workouts. However, I noticed that they lack arch support, which might be a deal breaker for some. That said, if you're looking for an affordable, stylish option for casual wear and light exercise, the Yatuhio shoes are a fantastic pick. After testing these 5 running shoes, it's clear that there's something for everyone, whether you're a casual jogger or a serious runner. Each shoe has its unique strengths, so consider your personal needs before making a choice. Get out there and find your perfect pair.